Alright, Barbs, welcome to my farm. You understand? So, you don't know, I'm gonna raise fowl for no yam, is me I say. So, this farm, is me I say, people, was created by Boss and his cousin Ryan, is me I say. So, yes, so, he is my business partner, is me I say, people, and Ryan is also a remarkable marketing genius. So, it's why we come together to create this farm. So, we decided to name the farm Little Mavis Farm, is me I say. So we named the farm after our grandmother who passed um, a year ago. Is me I say. Yeah man, so you don't know a G say me create the farm and him say me fi come on board. But anyways, why if he come? Is me I say forward and board, is me I say. Yeah, so that's what I'm currently doing at the moment. So me I raise chicken food now. And also we have layer, you see me I say people. So we are gonna produce egg and chicken and pork and vegetable. You see me I say. So we have products for the meat lovers and products for the veggie lovers. You understand? Yeah man. So you don't know enough people, remember vibes from October to December. You see me I say. We'll be spinning the place like tornado with chicken on the table. So you don't know most of them big deal there and meal deal they wanna go at KFC go buy. Just know say we are gonna sell KFC chicken, you see me I say. So when you have purchase a chicken, just know say that chicken the way I eat from KFC was sold to KFC by Mavis Farm from Ryan and Boss, you see me I say. Yeah man. So stay tuned, I'll let you all know when chicks are ready. You see me I say. And we are gonna give Brit a run for your money. You understand? Yeah man.